My Dog is Lost. Story and pictures by Ezra Jack Keats and Pat Share. My dog is lost. For Sarah and Miguel. Juanito was miserable. Only 2 days before, on his 8th birthday, he and his family had arrived in New York, all the way from Puerto Rico. Now he was in a new home, with no friends to talk to, for Juanito spoke only Spanish. And, to make him feel even lonelier, his dog was lost. Juanito's dog had been his best friend ever since he could remember. He was a Puerto Rican dog, so he understood only Spanish. He had been gone since yesterday. Juanito missed him so much that he decided to look for his dog all by himself. He tried not to cry as he looked in the grocery, the school playground, the movie lobby. Would he ever see his dog again? He ran to the butcher shop, to the laundromat, to the subway entrance. The busy streets frightened him. The words the people spoke sounded strange. Suddenly he saw a big stone building with wide glass windows. He read the sign on the window. There were people inside who spoke his language. Would they be able to help him? And the sign said, "Aquí se habla español." "Mi perro se ha perdido," he said. Mr. Hernandez, the bank teller, understood Juanito. He changed the Spanish words into English and wrote them on a piece of paper to help Juanito. My dog is lost. Again Juanito went out to the street. What great tall buildings! So many people and so many cars. They frightened Juanito, but his love for his dog made him brave. If he had to, he would search this strange new city from beginning to end. He held tight to the piece of paper and started again to look for his dog. Juanito walked to Chinatown. He showed the paper to Lily and Kim Lee. Lily pointed to the crayons in her little brother's hand and asked, "What color is your dog?" Juanito tugged at his brightly colored shirt. "Rojo." Rojo means red. Little Kim asked, "What kind of hair does your dog have?" He pulled at his own shiny black hair. Juanito pointed at a little lady in a big fur coat. "Peludo." They shook their heads. "We haven't seen a red, shaggy dog," said Kim and Kim Lee. "But we'll help you look. Peludo means shaggy." They walked to a part of the city called Little Italy. There they met Angelo. He made believe he was a dog. He barked and ran. "Does your dog run like this?" "Thumble." Juanito bent his legs to show how his dog ran. "I want to see a dog that runs like that," said Angelo. "I'll help you look. Sambo means bow-legged." Juanito and Lily, Kim and Angelo, walked to Park Avenue. They met the twins, Sally and Susie, and told them all about the lost dog. Sally measured with her hands. "Is your dog large or small?" "Grande." Juanito stretched his arms as far apart as they could go. Grande means large. "What kind of eyes does your dog have?" asked Susie, pointing to her own. Juanito made his eyes look very tiny. Pequeños. Pequeños means little. They rode on a bus to Harlem, where they met Billy and Bud. "Have you seen a lost dog that's red, shaggy, bow-legged, and big, with little eyes?" they asked. "No," said Billy. He pointed to the name on his sweater. Bud did the same too. "What is your dog's name?" Billy asked. "Pepito." As he said the name, Juanito could hold back his tears no longer. "Don't give up," said Billy. "We're all with you. We'll help you look." "Pepito!" Then they all ran with Juanito to help him find his dog. They ran for blocks. They looked everywhere. They looked and looked and looked. But there was no sign of a dog named Pepito that was red, shaggy, bow-legged, and big, and had little eyes. "I'm tired," said Lily Lee. "Me too," said Kim Lee. "I'm hungry," said Sally. "It's getting late," said Angelo. "I wish I could speak Spanish," said Billy, "so I could explain to him." "We'd better go home," said Susie. "Woof, woof," said Bud. And then they met a policeman. Juanito showed him the note. The policeman asked, "What sort of dog is he?" "Red, rojo, bow-legged, sambo, big, grande, shaggy, peludo, little eyes, pequeños ojos." "Of course," said the policeman. "We've been looking for you too." "How, how?" "Bow wow." "Perrito mío." "My puppy." "He's found," yelled Lily. "He's found," yelled Kim. "He sure is bow-legged," said Angelo. "He's nice," said Sally. "I like him," said Susie. "Hooray!" shouted Billy, and Pepito said, "How, how?" Juanito was too happy to say a word. He and his new friends took Pepito home. "Aquí se habla español," Spanish spoken here. "Mi perro se ha perdido." My dog is lost. "Rojo," red. "Peludo," shaggy. "Sambo," bow-legged. "Grande," big. "Pequeños," little. "Perrito mío," my puppy. "How, how?" "Bow wow." "Woof, woof," said Bud. There he is, back at home. And here are those words again. Aquí se habla español, Spanish spoken here. Mi perro se ha perdido, my dog is lost. Rojo, red. Peludo, shaggy. Sambo, bow-legged. Grande, big. Pequeños, little. Perrito mío, my puppy. How, how? Bow wow. I hope you enjoyed My Dog is Lost, story and pictures by Ezra Jack Keats and Pat Share.